Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Credit One bank app running slow, taking forever to load, or just feeling delayed when you scroll through the transactions? Here are the fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check the storage bar at top. Since the app slows down noticeably when the storage is nearly full and does not have room to load account data smoothly, offload a few unused apps out to free room quickly. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since Credit One Bank competes with background apps for available memory while syncing your account. Then go back to your settings and then tap on display and brightness. Lower your screen's brightness and turn off low power mode if it's on, since it throttles performance and directly causes sluggish scrolling and load times. Finally, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down, slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and it's the most effective fix to persistent slowdown. So, all you've got to do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your iPhone. Credit One Bank runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.